All right, a lot to talk about over the next several days. Of course, we've got a cold front that'll bring some showers and thunderstorms in this weekend. Of course, we're also watching Florence that is still spinning out there about 935 miles southeast of Bermuda. So take a look at the radar. We have seen a couple of these isolated showers popping up this afternoon. We've got a couple more that are up here through parts of Middlesex County. Had some that popped up over the eastern shore, a little one here through parts of Chesapeake. And through the rest of the evening, we'll call for just an isolated shower in a couple of spots, but muggy and warm through the evening and the overnight. Hot with heat index values still down into the low 90s as we go through the next several hours. By 9 o'clock, temperatures start to drop back into the 70s and that heat index will start to come down. Partly cloudy skies later tonight. Then tomorrow, I think we'll start the day dry. We'll see a couple of showers around in the morning, but through the afternoon, we'll see that cold front approach, showers and thunderstorms building. And with the shifting wind, we'll see temperatures not as hot, back closer to normal around 83 degrees. But notice a pretty good shot at seeing some of these showers and storms. We'll put those odds at around 50-50 as we go through the afternoon and the evening. Things might try to quiet down a little bit during the overnight, but even again on Sunday with that front lingering in the area, we'll still see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, not as hot on Sunday either with that wind coming in out of the east. Low 80s, which is where we should be this time of year. But of course, as we go into the weekend with the cooler temperatures, pretty good shot at some rain on Sunday. We'll put those odds at around 60%. I think far more of us will see them as we go through Sunday. Now the latest on Tropical Storm Florence, which continues to spin. Looks like it's trying to strengthen just a little bit. We'll get the 5 o'clock advisory in here in about another half hour or so. This is the 11 a.m. advisory. 65-mile-per-hour winds with gusts up to 75. It's moving to the west at around 8 miles per hour. It's expected to encounter an area where those winds that were tearing it apart yesterday really start to lessen up, and it's going to move over some incredibly warm water. So Monday morning, Tuesday morning, still south of the island of Bermuda. It's Wednesday morning that we'll see it approach the southeast coastline, about 500 miles off the coast Wednesday morning as a Category 4 storm. And again, the big question is what happens beyond Wednesday. So here's sort of my first preliminary look at things. I would say there's a fairly low chance, say, from around Cape Canaveral down to Miami or from New Jersey up towards Maine. Moderate risk here as we get into the middle and the end of next week, say from the Delmarva Peninsula down towards Cape Hatteras, and a much higher risk from Cape Hatteras down through about Savannah, Georgia. I think that's where the computers are starting to focus. But again, we really won't know until probably Monday or Tuesday as the storm is getting closer to land where that turn might start to happen, whether it's here closer to South Carolina, gets closer into Georgia, or back here closer to Hampton Roads. So through the weekend might be a good time to take a look at your hurricane disaster kit. Make sure it's stocked up. Think about that hurricane plan. It's not too early to think about that, and we'll just have to watch it over the next few days. That way you'll at least be prepared as we go into early next week as maybe this storm makes a closer approach to Hampton Roads. And the American computer model, that's been backing up closer to the coastline as well. But again, notice some storms keep it here through the southeast, some offshore. Just something we have to watch and see over the next few days. Partly sunny skies outside right now, 89 degrees. It feels like 94. Temperatures pretty much everywhere in the upper 80s to low 90s. Call for that isolated shower thunderstorm this evening, 74 tonight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, 84 degrees. We'll go 83 on Sunday with a good chance at showers and storms. And then we're back into the upper 80s early next week. Few showers and storm chances there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But it's as we get into Thursday and Friday that we'll have to watch for Florence.